Measure the mud's viscosity, its resistance to flow. First, stop up the end of the funnel with your finger. Then, fill the funnel with mud. Next, start the stopwatch and at the same time remove your finger from the end of the funnel. Let the mud flow into the cup. Carefully note when the mud fills the cup to the full mark, the 1 quart level. At this point, stop the watch. Finally, note the number of seconds it took for the quart of mud to flow from the funnel and into the cup. Write this number down on your mud log. Here the mud's funnel viscosity is 70 seconds. When drilling, you should perform this test every 15 minutes, 24 hours a day. If you notice a change in viscosity, report it immediately to the driller. A viscosity change could mean that formation fluids have entered the hole. A kick may be in the making. The next job is to determine the mud's weight or density. Mud weight is important because it keeps the well from kicking. You use a mud balance like this to weigh the mud. It has a beam with a sliding weight. The beam is calibrated to show the mud's weight. This one has pounds per gallon at the top and specific gravity at the bottom. To weigh the mud, fill the cup on the balance until it overflows. Dip the cap in mud. Then, spin the cap to force out the air. Put your finger over the cap's air hole and wash off excess mud on the cup and beam. Dry it and put the beam in the fulcrum and balance the beam. Here, the mud weight is 14.6 pounds per gallon. Finally, record the weight. You should weigh and record the mud weight every 15 minutes while drilling is underway. As usual, immediately report any change in the mud weight to the driller. A kick could be happening or about to happen. You've seen that the job of pit watching is vital. It requires skill, patience, and the ability to make quick and good decisions. So let's review what we've covered. You saw that a hole properly full of mud that has the correct weight keeps formation fluids from entering the hole. You also saw if the mud weight is too low, or if the hole is not full of mud, the well can kick. And if a kick is not controlled, well, you know it can happen. You saw the route drilling mud takes as it circulates through the system. And you saw the operation of the shale shaker, the degasser, the desander, desilter, and mud cleaner. We pointed out that you need to note changes in cutting size or quantity. A change in the cuttings could mean a kick. We noted that it's important to look for pit level changes, and we gave causes of pit level changes. You saw that fast ROP means pit level decreases, that surface changes mean pit level increases or decreases, that lost circulation means pit level decreases, and that formation fluid entry means pit level increases. You also saw that when pulling pipe, the crew must keep the hole full of mud. The crew also has to be aware of swabbing fluids into the hole. Finally, we showed taking the mud's temperature, its viscosity, and its weight. All are important to kick recognition. And remember, inform the driller of any changes or problems. Doing your job right helps keep the bit on bottom and turning to the right.